What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Quick little video. I just wanted to show you something I got in the I ordered. Got this information a while back, one of the videos from YouTube, believe it or not. We all learn from YouTube. But this thing is awesome if you're fixing shingles for roofs. You know, if you got to replace a few shingles, the guys out there know what I'm talking about when you got to lift up shingles, okay? You got to nail in the new ones, and you got to try not to break the shingles when you're lifting them up too high. Well, they got a tool for this, okay? It's called, let's pull this paper out here, show you the picture. It's called the roof snake, cuz. Roof snake, you see that? See the way it's underneath that shingle? It's pretty cool, and it's heavy duty. It just came, well, I've had it for a while. I've used it a few times. Figured I'd shoot a video out there. People are curious to know how to fix broken shingles with an easy tool. All right, here it is right here, okay? This thing's heavy duty, it's thick, all right? You got your pry bar here. See how it has an angle? Most of the pry bars, and you know what I'm talking about, are straight. I don't have one here. They're pretty straight, and they don't have this little lip here. You know, it's like almost like a shoe. So you could lift up on the nail kind of thing, all right? So you got the pry bar there, and the best part about this tool is you got to get under those shingles. If you want to, you know, you grab yourself a nail, and if you look at this thing, okay, see the groove it's got on there? So what you're going to do is, see if I could do this thing holding my hand here. All right, you're going to put the nail in the groove just like this. Very simple, basic, and you can see it holds it in place. Okay, so you can get it underneath that shingle. All right, and then what you're going to do is you're going to hit the hammer out here on the top. You're going to hit the hammer right here. Sorry about that, but the nail will stay in. You put it under the shingle, and you're going to hit here in the force, boom, right into the, right underneath the shingle. So that's it. It's called a roof snake, okay? If you need some information on this thing, the model number, pull that stuff up right there. Okay, you can find it on Amazon. Can't remember how much it was. I'm gonna say maybe 25 to 35 bucks. But this thing is heavy duty. This will last a lifetime. So if you're doing shingle repair out there and you want to make it easier to put those shingles in and not break the top of the shingle, right? You see that, how it fits underneath? You'll save that top shingle. I broke so many going up, I ended up changing like 4 or 5 of them, you know what I mean? So that's it. It's called the roof snake. Grab one. I mean, it's worth having if you do shingle repair. Right, let me see. I'm going to stick this thing. I use this belt. Oh, let's get rid of that for a minute. I guess I'll just stick it in one of these pouches. Put it in this pouch for now. Yeah, hold on a second. Just for now, keep it there. All right, so that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy videos like this, little helpful hints with tools, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. And stay tuned. We got some good ones coming up in the next week or so. And we'll catch you on the next one. All right? Yo, Sonny! Sonny! All right. Let's go look for Sonny. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.